Hello again, a new day, a new project. If you remember, I had made myself this little lavalier microphone. I know it's looking ugly, but it's so damn useful. And I'm using this attached usually to my spectacles, like this. It's a perfect spot for, how can I say, catching the voice and also not having the breath in. But what I observed, sometimes it have a pretty boomy, depends of the position. If I'm trying to get it a little bit in the front, like here, boom, it starts booming already. It's amazing the quality of sound of this kind of little electret microphone, but I can tell you this one I'm using now, it's kind of special because I selected from many others. It's from an old cassette player, recorder, and so on. Yeah, it was Panasonic. The quality, it's amazing good for such a little device. I don't want to say that the old stuffs are only good stuffs, but this one is particularly good. What I want to do today is to have a kind of foam protector or anti-boom shield or wind shields and anti-sibilance. Okay, you see, I love to use what I have around the house and around my bench or something, because anyway, I can't find anything for this little guy. Maybe there is something over there, but I just don't want to waste my time. That's why I'm going to try different approach or idea for this little one. So let me start with a piece of foam like this, and it's pretty permeable. Yeah, the air is passing by, and I'm gonna use a piece from an old telescopic antenna. Hopefully it's sharp enough. Let's make it a little bit sharper. I don't know, I never did that, it's just an idea. Possible, working. Let's see. The diameter of this one, it's only, not again. It's the same old story. So Murphy is very right. When you need it, it's not working. I'm talking about tools. Don't misunderstood me. 7 millimeters, and the microphone itself, it's like 9.7 millimeters. But I bet on this foam property of getting larger. Okay, let's try to do this. So all I'm gonna do is to try to cut a hole. Is it working? Yeah, I think so. You'll ask why I'm using this microphone when I have such beautiful sound card, really professional. Let me show you. Look there. That's a Focusrite Sapphire Pro 40 with all this mambo jumbo, preamps and so on. So why I'm using this when I have a good studio microphone, a large diaphragm condenser microphone, and a really good sound quality. You know something? This one is closer to the mouth and doesn't catch the reverb of the room, which, by the way, it's terrible. I should do something about that, but I'm afraid of my wife reaction. And sometimes it's much easier, I'm just hooking this little microphone to the camera. Now I'm recording straight into the camera because my Sony have a microphone in and phones out, and that it's really great. What do you think? Is that enough? Let's have a little bit more. And it's much easier to work with that. Well, I think it's enough. Okay, now the story is, how can I take this out without hurting the thing? Okay, maybe like this. You see? I think we are done. Look there. Perfect hole. But I have also to see how deep is this one going, like here. So if I'm cutting here, everything will be just fine. Is it ugly? Oh yes, of course it is. Look. Look, I'm your father. Okay, now I'm just working, let's call it the aesthetics. Ugly? Yes, of course. But cost me nothing. just doing the things. Okay, I'll disconnect this and I'll put the foam in. Of course, here I am with my new piece of art, and okay, so this is the front of the microphone. Let me just mark that. Yeah, that's the front of the microphone. Can you feel the difference? Of course. I think it's much better. Now I can even use it closer to the mouth to have deeper frequencies in the voice. And I think that's it for today. I hope. Okay, stay there, please. I hope it's a useful idea. Piece of foam, a part of a telescopic antenna, just sharp it a little bit and just get into the foam and you'll have something like this, which became a hole. Or anyway, I hope it's useful. Please like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to have fun. See you.